I'm drunk enough.
He is.
No, I am too. Cheers,
Let's
too.
go look it up.
Okay, ready? Ready? We're gonna do two for you.
It's supposed to be
Wild
short.
Dracula.
Sweet. Okay. This is
Irish heritage erased.
yeah. This next piece is Rock Me J R R Tolkien by Andrew.
Maybe not.
Oh my God, this chair is wet. I'm not sitting in that chair.
I'll be my trailer.
Free time.
No, sir.
All the chairs might be wet.
I got it. How do you open these things? I don't have one of these. It's a computer. I can use these. I can use these. Defect! Jeremy, Wally, have you seen this?
Oi, told you already, Harry. The name's Ron now. Ron.
Ron and Hermione, get in here. Band meeting.
Alright.
Band meeting.
You gotta see this.
What? YouTubes?
It's the YouTubes.
What's on the YouTubes?
It's the J.R.R. Tolkien fan band.
Oh, those stupid users. Okay. Ready?
Fuck yeah.
Okay. Alright, here's to all you pussies out at the Harry Potter fandom. We're here to show you how to write real fan music.
Yeah!
Okay, was it metal enough?
Doesn't matter. Okay, hold
Stupid rap bastards.
Well, now we don't have to write a song.
No, you don't mean that one. Not.
Oh, Father, kiss